equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Dyson V11 from the power source to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the head of the vacuum cleaner. You will see a small screw that holds the head in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screw. Make sure to keep it in a safe place, as you will need it later. Once the screw is removed, gently pull the head away from the main body of the vacuum. If you encounter any resistance, check for any additional clips or latches that may be holding it in place. It's important to be gentle to avoid damaging any components. Now that the head is off, take a moment to clean the internal parts. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will not only help in maintaining the vacuum but also improve its performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum anywhere. Our professional diagnosis without obligation ensures you know exactly what needs to be done before you commit to any repairs. After cleaning, it's time to reattach the head. Align it properly with the main body and press it back into place. Make sure it fits snugly and securely. Then, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screw you removed earlier. Tighten it gently, ensuring it's secure but not overly tight, as this could strip the screw hole. If you find that the screw is difficult to tighten, check for any misalignment between the head and the body. Adjust as necessary until everything fits perfectly. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without the hassle. Once the screw is tightened, give the head a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached. If it feels secure, you're all set. Finally, plug your Dyson V11 back in and give it a test run to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues during this process or if your vacuum still isn't performing as it should, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team is here to help you get your Dyson V11 back in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.